In this video, I am going to show you how to change language on Outlook. If the steps outlined here don't seem to match that you're seeing on your screen, it's possible you're seeing an older version of Outlook on the web. In that case, you might want to look for instructions specific to the classic Outlook on the web, which is quite similar. Begin by navigating to the top of your Outlook page. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, look for General option. From the list that appears, click Language and Time. This will take you to the page where you adjust time and language. On the Language and Time Settings page, you'll see drop-down menus for different preferences. Like language, choose the language in which you want Outlook to display menus, messages, and notifications. Once you've made your selections, hit Save button to save your changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.